keep judging people, you can never love them. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's story is about a 15-year-old boy who was traveling in a train along with his parents. This boy was really excited about the journey. He occupied the window seat as soon as he boarded the train. His parents also sat beside him and the train started moving. There was this old couple who was sitting right opposite to the boy in the same compartment. After a while into the journey, the boy who's looking outside the window, he starts shouting, "Hey dad, look, the trees are moving behind." The dad acknowledges him, smiles at him, but then the old couple who was sitting right opposite to the kid notices this childish behavior with pity. After some time, the boy shouts again, saying that, "Dad, see, look at the clouds, it's moving with us." And this continues for a couple of times, and every time the kid mentions something, the dad acknowledges and smiles at the kid back. The old couple sitting there started running out of patience, and they couldn't resist anymore, and they told the dad, "Why don't you show him to a doctor?" The dad smiled and replied, saying that, "Yes, we just are coming back from the hospital after showing it to the doctor. My son was blind since birth and he has just got his eyesight back." How many times do we judge people without knowing their situation? We jump into conclusions without knowing what's going on in their lives. Always remember that when we judge someone, it says more about us than the other person. It affects us more than anybody else. It shows how we perceive the world, how we perceive the situation, how we perceive the person there. So before judging, always observe more, be very curious to know more, always try to understand the other person's situation. This will help you to either judge them better or take a non-judgmental route. Mother Teresa once said that if you keep judging people, you can never love them. So always try to be non-judgmental, and this will help you to live more peacefully. Thank you.